Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today we're going to be talking about travel because, you know, it's something about when the weather starts to warm up, you really start thinking about little trips that you might want to take. Some people start a little bit earlier. I know when spring is approaching, I'm thinking about spring break because I'm a teacher and where I might could go on spring break. And then, you know, thinking about the summer. Now, there are trips that I generally take every year, and that's trips back home to Tennessee to see mom. It's been a while since I've been out of the country. It's been 6.5 years, but I have done some traveling in my time. And so over the years, I've acquired or adopted some tried and true travel tips that I think would work for you guys. And maybe we can share travel tips and help one another become more efficient and effective packers for our trips so that we don't overpack, because who wants to be bothered with heavy luggage? Who wants to pay an extra fee to have to check a luggage if you don't have to? And if there's any tips that can save you any time or make traveling a little bit easier, wouldn't you want to know what those tips are? So I'm going to share with you mine, and then maybe you can comment below and tell me some of your travel tips. So tip number one is to travel in something that is completely comfortable, something that is stretchy and knit, and that, you know, you feel good in. That's like a second skin. Also, travel in shoes that are easy to take on and off, especially if you're traveling via, you know, the airport and you have to go through security. Who wants to fuss around with shoelaces? So I like wearing black leggings because it's things that black goes with everything, of course. And so black is usually a base color for me, and you can mix it with solids, bright colors, prints, etc. So I usually go black, and like I said, it's one of my favorite colors. So black leggings, a knit top, and then I got to take these off to show you. These are a pair of my favorite shoes I've had for a couple of years. These are the Puma Defy sneakers. Absolutely love them because you slip them on and off like a sock, and they're stretchy and just so easy to take care of. I absolutely love them. I like the buckle detailing, and I always get compliments when I wear these. They're just really a sleek sneaker, and they're lightweight. And when you're going through security check, it's just so easy and convenient. You know. The next travel tip that I have is to carry a black bag if you're going away for a short trip and you can't pack a lot of little handbags to mix and match. If you're like me and you're a handbag lover and you have like a million handbags in your closet and you can't take 5 handbags for every outfit that you have, just take a black bag because black goes with everything. And one that I like is the tote style. I do like crossbody too, but I've really gotten into the totes lately. So this is a tote by Botkier, and I love Botkier brand. This tote is, I think, my new favorite tote, and I have about 5 totes that I own, but this is my absolute favorite. It's pebble leather. It has a raw leather interior, but it's really cute. I love the zipper detailing that's along the bag. It's just so nice, and it's just a basic tote. Looks like that on the bottom, and it's a snap closure, so it opens like that. It does have a zip pocket and a slip pocket on the inside. And Botkier is a quality brand. Botkier makes shoes, handbags, and, you know, accessories. And I've owned shoes by them and have shoes by Botkier. I think her name is Monica. Botkier is the owner, a lady, and really love her bags. So this is one that I travel with, and I absolutely love it. And I have other travel bags that I love too. So if you want to see my favorite bags to travel with, or my black bag collection, because I do have a lot of black bags, comment below. Let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. But now I want to talk about what is going to go inside the luggage. And so if you're into that type of thing, stick around. Before I get into showing you the clothes that I pulled out of my closet for a hypothetical trip that I would be taking in the spring. I wanted to also share this bag. I've got to do a plug for my previous video that I uploaded for those who did not see that video but who may be tuning into this video. This is a DIY on a tote that I did that was inspired by the Louis Vuitton World Tour bag. And since we're talking about traveling, I thought I'd feature it once again. I absolutely love this bag. We only stay about maybe 2.5, 3 hours from the beach. And so whenever I go to the beach, I could take this bag. It is not a leather bag, so I would feel comfortable being near the water with this bag and not worrying about, you know, messing it up. And it's fun and really decorative. So just thought I'd throw that in there. All right, so let's talk about the things that you're gonna pack in your luggage. So remember, this is a hypothetical trip. Say, for instance, you're going to, you know, I don't know, Savannah, Georgia. You're going to be there for 3 to 4 days. It's springtime. You've already checked your weather app. You know what the weather's going to be like, so you can pull based on the weather. You really don't have an itinerary because this is a spontaneous trip. So that's when you can tend to overpack when you're, you know, talking about a spontaneous trip. So those are the hypotheticals. And now let's get into what I pulled out. So you're taking a trip. You're gonna have a date night. You want to go out. You want to look cute. Here's just a cute black. Remember, I go with black. I was gonna say you need to have some black basics, but you know, everybody's different. I suggest, this is one of my tips, having black as your base color for the majority of your pieces so that you can interchange and mix them easily. So I have this black asymmetrical cut skirt with a tie in the front, and it actually zips in the back, so it's an illusion of a wrap skirt. Cute! This would be so cute for date night. So then, you know me, I like my little vintagey look, so I've got my little pop of color, so I won't be looking like I'm going to a funeral. That would be a look for date night. So you travel, you get there, you're wearing this, you're comfortable, you got your knit, but later on, after you've lounged around the hotel and you want to go out for dinner, this is an option that you could wear. Savannah is, you know, near the coast, and maybe you might go to the beach, who knows, whatever. This is a cute little denim de-stressed skirt, really, really cute. You want to show your legs off and be cute. Once again, you have black, you got your black tee, and I could wear my black sneakers that I traveled in for a very, very casual look. But say, for instance, I want to take it up a notch. I don't want to be too casual. Maybe I'm doing some shopping and I just want to look a little bit more spruced up. So keep the black tee. Change out the Puma sneakers for a more upscale sneaker because you do want to be comfortable. So pull out the Louis Vuittons with the little gold. But you know what? It's getting late in the day and it's spring, so it's still getting a little cooler, you know, as the day goes on. A nice, cute linen jacket. So you got your black tee, your jean skirt, your linen jacket, and your little LV sneakers, and your black tote, and you're looking cute. You're looking pulled together. Hey, you are ready, okay? So that is day number 2. So day number 2, you've been casual. Then you've kind of spruced it up, okay? All right, so next, so that's 1 outfit, 2, and then with the jacket, that's 3 outfits, okay? But a lot of mixing and matching. I wear white all year round. I don't wait until, you know, after Memorial Day. So I got a pair of white denim with a black belt. And of course you could do the black tee with that. Your Puma sneakers, because they've got the black and white, whole new look, even though you've worn something more than once. If it gets cool, throw on this jacket on top, very sleek, black on top, and voila. And it kind of spruces things up. You could wear with the LV sneakers too, either or. And then to travel back home in, maybe you want some jeans, and you got your jeans, okay? So then you've got just a plain black tee, your Puma sneakers. You could wear those with your LV shoes, and if it gets cool, a little pop of red with your red jacket. I was having so much fun, guys, doing this styling. I decided to do a bonus look for day 4. So keeping the same black tee and the jeans, put on the black sandals and that linen blazer, and then you have a more spruced up look in case you wanted to go out for a little lunch date and you didn't want to be too casual. You want to be kind of dressy casual, and that is another look. Now let's see if we can get all of these items in the suitcase. So now we're starting the packing process, and one of the tips that I've learned is that if you pack plastic around your clothes, they're less likely to wrinkle if you've already ironed them. So I've been packing with plastic ever since I learned that, and it really does work. So I usually use old garment bags, or if you want, you can use unused scented trash bags, which really work well because they help keep your luggage smelling fresh. And then you can also use those trash bags for your dirty laundry when you're away on your trip. And so that is something that I do all the time, and it really works for me. So what you see me doing now is just folding my clothes, making sure to put a layer of plastic between each item, and they're less likely to wrinkle because the fabric just kind of glides over the plastic. So I do layer by layer, and then I just kind of fold the clothes over. So now that you know what I'm doing, I'm going to speed up the process so this video won't be too long. Putting my last minute items in. This is what I keep my cosmetics in, this little tackle box, and I just snap it closed and put it in there. I like it because it's hard and it's very protected, and it just slides easily in the luggage with no problem. And then I put my sneakers in last. As you can see, I am squishing everything in there. But this travel bag that I'm using is a Docker's travel bag. It's one of the compartmentalized bags that you can put in your overhead bin if you're flying on a plane. And I like it because it's small, compact. It doesn't take up a lot of room if you're putting it in the trunk or wherever you might be putting it. I like that it has the 2 side pockets and the front pocket, so you can get a lot in this little bag. And so I'm putting my jewelry in now on the front pocket, and then on the side my little necessities. On the other side I already have my slippers, and it's just a lot of room and it holds a lot. So I got everything that you saw that I styled in that bag. The only thing I couldn't fit in there was my jacket, so I'm going to put that in the black tote, which is still very lightweight, and I am ready to go. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to become a more efficient and effective traveler by not overpacking. Let me know in the comments below, what are some of your tips for packing when you travel? I'd love to learn from you guys as well. So yeah, drop me a comment. And as always, remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much, and so do I. I'll see you next time. Bye.